What if learning the right AI skill today could put you on the path to a six-figure career? Artificial intelligence isn't just creating new tools, it's creating completely new roles inside companies. And you don't have to become the person who invents the next ChatGPT to benefit from it. Some of these careers combine AI with software, business, automation, and problem solving. So today, we're looking at 7 AI-related jobs that could potentially reach $100,000 or more in the US. And, more importantly, I'll show you what these people actually do and what you need to learn to get there. Let's start with number 7. Businesses don't just want AI. They want AI that saves them time and money. That's what an AI automation specialist focuses on. Imagine a company receiving hundreds of customer emails every day, instead of employees manually reading and sorting every message. An AI-powered workflow can classify emails, generate responses, update a database, and send complicated cases to a human. The specialist designs and connects that entire workflow, and they can use tools like AI APIs, automation platforms, databases, and business software to make it happen. The good news: you don't necessarily need to build an AI model from scratch. You need to understand how to connect AI to real business problems. Someone has to decide what an AI product should actually do. That's where an AI product manager comes in. Imagine a company wants to build an AI financial assistant. Engineers can build the technology. But who decides which features customers actually need? Who studies the competition? Who defines the product? And who decides whether the AI is solving a real problem? That's the product manager. This career combines AI knowledge, business strategy, customer research, and communication. You don't have to be the strongest programmer in the room, but you need to understand enough about AI to work effectively with engineers and turn customer problems into useful products. Now imagine a business owner saying, "Everyone is talking about AI, but where do we actually use it?" That's an opportunity for an AI consultant. AI consultants help companies identify processes that could be improved using artificial intelligence. For example, a company might spend hundreds of hours creating reports, responding to customers, or analyzing data. An AI consultant can identify those bottlenecks and design a better workflow. The valuable part isn't simply knowing ChatGPT or another AI tool. It's understanding how a business works and where AI can create measurable results. If you develop strong AI knowledge, business understanding, and communication skills, this can become a powerful career path. ChatGPT changed the way millions of people think about AI, but businesses are taking generative AI much further. They're building internal AI assistants, customer support systems, research tools, content platforms, and AI agents that can complete multiple tasks. A generative AI specialist helps build or implement these systems. They may work with large language models, APIs, retrieval systems, AI agents, and automation. For example, a company could have thousands of internal documents. Instead of employees searching through them manually, an AI system could allow employees to ask questions and instantly find relevant information. That's the kind of real-world problem generative AI specialists solve. Useful skills include Python, APIs, LLMs, RAG, AI agents, and basic software development. Now we're moving into a more technical career. An AI solutions architect designs how an organization's AI systems fit together. Think about a large company building an AI customer support platform. It may need a language model, a database, cloud infrastructure, customer information, security, AP is, and monitoring. Someone has to design the entire system and make sure all those pieces work together. That's the solutions architect. This path requires deeper knowledge of cloud computing, software architecture, databases, APIs, security, and AI. It's harder to enter, but that technical depth is also what makes the role valuable. If you enjoy programming and technology, this is one of the biggest AI career paths to watch. AI and machine learning engineers build systems that actually use machine learning. They can work on recommendation systems, computer vision, natural language processing, predictive models, and AI agents. The technical requirements are higher. You'll need programming, especially Python, along with machine learning, mathematics, algorithms, data structures, and software engineering. But there's a major advantage. These skills aren't limited to one industry. AI engineers can work in technology, finance, healthcare, automotive, cybersecurity, and many other fields. It's not the easiest path, but if you're willing to go deep technically, it can be extremely valuable. And at number 1, we have one of the most technically demanding careers in AI research scientist. These are the people working on the next generation of artificial intelligence. They study questions like, how can AI models become more capable? How can they learn more efficiently? How can machines understand language, images, and complex information? And how can AI systems become more reliable? This career usually requires a strong background in mathematics, computer science, machine learning, and research. In many cases, advanced education is also expected, but for people who genuinely love solving difficult technical problems, AI research can be one of the most exciting paths in the entire industry. But here's what you shouldn't take away from this video. Don't choose a career simply because you hear the words $100,000 salary. Salaries vary by experience, location, company, and specialization. Instead, focus on becoming extremely good at solving valuable problems. AI tools will change, platforms will change, job titles will change, but companies will always pay for people who can save time, reduce costs, build useful products, and solve difficult problems. That's the real opportunity. By 2027, AI won't simply be another technology. It will be part of how thousands of companies operate. And the people who learn how to work with AI instead of competing against it could have opportunities that don't exist today. You don't need to learn everything. Choose one skill, start learning, build something, and improve every day. Because your biggest career advantage in the AI era might simply be starting before everyone else does. If you found this video useful, subscribe to Megna Growth Hub for more videos about AI, money, careers, and the future of technology.